So, you have one of these, your Trackmaster 2 trucks, and you realize that they have those great couplings right here. You know, the ones that they usually come, especially in the new ones that you use for the push-alongs for the 80th anniversary bunch. But you don't like these, and you have lying around your play road couplings, as you can see here. Now, you don't know how to go from this to this, then you're gonna need my help for this one. This is Thomas and Friends and Unimas Tutorials. Yo, what's up everybody? Thomas and Friends and HHPAY Yes here. So today the tutorial is about adding the plarail coupling rods to your engines and trucks and motorcycles as well. For this one, you need a Trackmaster 2 engine or truck and some plarail coupling rods like these, and some screwdrivers for this job as well, like these ones for example, y'all. Now you gotta uncouple them first, y'all, because you don't want them to stick together, y'all. Sorry, it's just singing, okay? But like I said, you need either a Trackmaster 2 engine or the tender of a tender engine, a truck, and some plarail coupling rods and screwdrivers. So basically, I have one already pre-made to test it out. As you can see right here. So I'll do a test subject on the tender engine. So you gotta make sure you lie the tender down like so. And make sure you get a flat, small screwdriver. Or a triangle screwdriver if you have any. And remember, if you're young, you need an adult supervision to help this one. Because this could be dangerous for some children under 3 years old. And it's very not good. You could literally hurt yourself. So, once that's good, you can put the screws into this truck, so that way you won't lose any of them. Now this should slide off easily. Now you can remove any coupling and see and place this one. Let's give it a test first. Hey, this one fits in smoothly, like butter. That's nice. Now time for the reassembly. So, you gotta place it like this, y'all. Make sure it fits in that time. Get the screws from there, like this. Place them right here, y'all. Alright, now let's do it again. Let's screw this back together, like it should be. Yeah, man. Oh, that always happens, because, I don't know, the man. Alright, let's try this again. Third time's the charm, y'all. Alright. And here we go. Okay. Right, there we go. It's perfectly now on the tender. That's good, y'all. So now, Henry's has a new coupling. And it fits perfectly, like a glove. and pretty easy too. Now, to do this one is take any plarail coupling rod you have. Yeah, it's small like this one. And make sure you take a screwdriver and place it in like so. Now this could be trouble for you little young ones, so make sure you're getting adult supervision to do it. When you're old enough, I think you know how this will go. So make sure it's in nice and tightly. Oh, don't break the coupling rod, because I'm pretty sure those are not cheap. They could be expensive now, but just give it some time, alright? Good time. Oh, and once you see it like this, keep wiggling. Give it another try. Here. Let's make sure. Oh. Almost. Let's try it from here now. Alright. Now it should look something like this. Alright. Now take the smallest one and smooth it out. Okay? It has to be nice and smooth, like it should. Okay? It should look something like this. Alright? And that's how it's like it should be. Now, let's do the same thing with this one. The old... Repeat the same process. Once you feel like it's got it in, do it like you should. Well, okay, I think that's good enough. Alright. Okay. And there we go. Should look something like this, if you want to use these. Alright, now time to do this on this truck. It's basically the same method, but I'll do a montage of it right now. And just like that, he's completed. It's basically not a hard model to do. It's just, if you have plarail coupling rods, then you should do this one. If not, use the regular ones. I don't mind. But thanks for watching the very first tutorial here. If you like this one and recommend it, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to the channel to help out. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace, everybody.
All right, now, fellas, let's try it.